Wish I had wings to touch the sky. I would have fly away, from everything walk on in my life. Up top was represent for Luke knows Barbados.
Man, you know long when I come here? Yes, Barbados. Sugar, tomorrow, later.
Wagwan my people, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Sorry for my voice, I'm gonna catch a little flu and nobody no message or worry about COVID. No COVID around here, so you understand? So anyway, people, but just want to bring out that quick chat here too, and make you know what really are going in the country, in the Caribbean. You understand? Everybody talk about UK, Skeng, Skillibeng. Warm to go on in Jamaica, yeah. Warm to go on in the Caribbean. So Teejay and Dexta Daps shell down Barbados over the Easter there. Shell it down wicked. May I read all the thing there from Loop. And first of all, take the time out. I think you credits or credits due. Big up Loop News. See, for them Barbados page me use and grab that chat here. So me and my people I'm gonna chat about it. Oh, and people more thanks I want to tell everybody thanks. We subscribe to my channel. I taught you that way over here. And I'm not gonna stop. So we must get bigger people and we must, you understand? Spread more positive news and create a bigger chat forum across Jamaica. So we're gonna just slide in it. I don't know if you know the VENT, that's the name of the concert. VENT-Barbados. It keep every year. You understand? Teejay shell it down, Dexta Daps shell it down. Them actually rename it that year and call it the Teejay show. People, that wasn't the name of it. It never named the Teejay show. But I just, you understand? The big artists them were there, where them have to bring. People love the vibe of Jamaicans from a long time. But anyway, I have a quick video with Teejay while he was there. Warm up before and all of that. Quick little interview. So we're going to just drop into that and come back, talk how we feel and so on. Respect.
Oh, you want to know what come next?
Yes.
Sit down and go on all the vibes and reminisce.
Our series 2022 Check-In with Loop is featuring Teejay. He was on island in Barbados for VENT over the Easter weekend.
And I say, no, this is Teejay, the up top boss, and we're outside right now. We have VENT. We're going all the vibe. Check it out. Up top.
Okay. So, how do you feel performing in Barbados?
It's an energy, It's not the first time because I've been to Barbados before at any artistry, but this time it's a different thing. The world just opened up and Barbados just opened up and we feel nice and the energy alright. So I'm just gonna bring it tonight and just give it to my fans.
And one day past 100K for Make It Out. How do you feel about this?
Yeah, man, I'm proud of it. This is music and we've been putting in the work from a longer time now. So it's like what you sow is what you reap. So we're just reaping everything right now. So I just feel proud to know that I can achieve 130,000 views in one day, but still need more. Yeah, but grateful for it.
Okay, do you think it's a formula with these kind of songs because you also would have done this with Rags to Riches?
No, we just sing whatever inspire us to sing, and nature itself, people overall inspire us to sing, so we just sing what the people want to hear. A lot of times we sing things and people not even feeling it, but we just go back to the drawing board and do the right thing.
So that said, do you like to hear when people say that they can relate to your music? It always feels relevant.
Yeah, because if you're doing music and you're not painting an art to people so that they can see it as a visual in front of you without even a video, by just words of inspiration, then have to feel great.
Okay, you are one of the most diverse persons when it comes to the dance hall. Like, your song for Stimulate, your song for Make It Out, like, it's always different. Ever did any vocal training? What's the music background?
It's ordained, I would say it's ordained. God plan, we're born with a talent, a gift that God gave us to show the world and showcase our talent and everything. So, yeah, man, it's never about learning it at school or anything like that. It's just natural.
Okay. Like, for a lot of people, you make it out through music, but like you dropped Bitcoin last year where you were talking to persons about, like investing in real estate and stuff. What do you think the youth need to look to now?
When it's crypto world, everything right now in the future that is coming is going to be, I would say, futuristic, like NFT and all of them thing, the crypto world, everything. Sooner or later, cash won't even be, you don't even need cash anymore. Just the card thing and the digital world, everything just different. So it's just that we now kind of get the knowledge, so we just want to teach it to people before everybody else know about it. So at least I can say, Teejay, they tell me about this. Like,
okay. What can people expect next?
Just greatness. I'm working on an album right now. It's called Rocks the Riches album. It's a dope album right now that is supposed to be released in August. So you can look out for my album, Rocks the Riches album. And Bitcoin is a song from the album also. Just feel like release it from the album. Anything, man. Yeah, man.
Okay, so one question. Why did you change your look? Because about 6-7 months ago.
Yeah. Just feel like changing look. I see nothing special. Just see a shop for this food. Or you want to know what come next?
Yes.
Sit down and go on all the vibes and reminisce. Yeah, so you just a whole of normal vibes and you just reminisce about everything happening in our life, bad, good, everything, people who pass on, people who still there with you, and it's just a great feeling to know that you are here to, reminisce and can just tell your family or friends everything, tell them the tales about everything in life. So yeah, that's what Rocks the Rich is really about. It's not a money song. It's a life song. It's a song that tells us that we're rich in love. It's just a positive energy. Yeah. Barbados, Loop News said I wish I had wings to touch the sky. I would have fly away, from everything I got in my life. Up top was represent for Loop News, Barbados, up top.
Alright, my people, my love what go on a while ago. I have to take in the video and watch it over again. Like, you understand? Can't believe it's a Jamaican artist, this people. We have to big him up, Big up yourself, Teejay. Big up yourself, Dexta Daps. We now do it on a larger scale and I make you proud. You understand? So people, say, we must see what time in the morning, About after 3 or after 4 in the morning, You don't know me a Jamaican, I love chat. So that's why I just say, yo, yeah, hear what? It no matter what time of the day, we bust a chat. So just let me know how you feel in the comment section. As I say, thanks to all of my subscribers, all who not subscribe yet, I beg you, bust a subscribe so the channel can get bigger, reach more audience. Big up on yourself, Jamaican chat.